September 8th on a rocky section of the trail. Just left the truck 6 minutes ago. It's been steady uphill for about 20 minutes, trying to get to the top of this cliff here. And still a bit of uphill to finish off up through this notch. Almost up. The view out over the Beaver Valley. When I get down to the far end there, I'll have to start my way back up over on the other side. 3/4 of an hour in, I've come across this boot tightening apparatus. 3:10 in the afternoon, headed up to Old Baldy. Quite steep here. Turkey vultures flying over there. And pretty much straight down.
Climbing. Slippy. What the fuck? I still got it, don't let it go. Okay, hang on.
Penstocks for a generating station, and the surge towers up there. An hour in, I can see the other side of the Beaver Valley, and I'm starting on a very steep downward path. Probably won't look too steep in the camera, but it's pretty darn steep. There's a stone tunnel there. Nice spot on the top of this waterfall. We'll see how close I can get. close. Long ways down. Here's Eugenia Falls from a different angle. And still another angle of the falls. Still can't really see the bottom. It was a long ways down. I think they forgot to build the bridge. What's the pine? Bridge number 2. Falls. Once you serve. I think this is the Boyne River. Kind of a short bench, but it'll do. Another waterfall. This may be as close as I get to it. Just another water crossing. The waterfall over there. There's the sewage towers. Just about where I ended yesterday across the valley. Half an hour in today, I went across a couple of hay fields and then I'm back on the real trail. River crossing. I might just get my feet wet on this one. Nope. No wet feet. A bit of a big hill up ahead. I just skied down the Beaver Valley Ski Club trail. And now I'm going to have to ski back up. Unfortunately, the chairlift's not working today. Took my last picture from down there. Came from up there. Waited for the chairlift. It didn't pick me up. Pictures won't show how steep that is. But it is pretty steep. Thought I was all the way up to the top, but apparently not. Okay, that was a bit of a climb. Lunchtime. Heard the top of the Talisman Ski Club. Looking over to Old Donald. Oh, I mean Old Baldy, where I was 2 days ago. Looks like we have a Bruce Trail escalator coming up. Starting back up the escarpment. This will be my last time up the hill today. 10:25 in the morning, been walking about 20 minutes. Kind of a cloudy day. My first bridge of the day. Probably at least 100-year-old cedar rail fence all along this trail. $12:30, having lunch. View right back. The Nottawasaga Bay. This river crossing could be a problem because the rocks are all underwater. Or not so bad. Found this old bridge in the middle of nowhere. Oh, across here. Not sure what kind of a vehicle could make it up this road allowance. Pretty steep. But easy walking. 10:20, just been walking for 20 minutes. Just climbed the escarpment. It's really not very high here. Not as high as over there. Starting into some areas of crevices. A rare type of fern called the Hart's Tongue fern. Looks like we're going down through this crevice. Slippery and rocky. But not that bad. Some really delicate looking ferns along here. 12:15, close to that side road. But there was a bench. There have been some more crevices after lunch. No more crevices on the way.